We are washing the baby, we are washing the baby. That's my baby, there's my baby. We are washing the baby. That's my baby. That's my baby. See my baby? I'm washing the baby.
Beat of sound, a new dimension. No.
My baby's washing my baby. My baby's washing the baby. Trying to see pretty and clean, and that's it. Washing the baby, right? My baby's washing, you washing the baby, baby. My baby's washing the baby. Doesn't even pay attention. Can you see what I did? Can you see what this is what I did? This is what I'm doing during my hiatus. I'm on a hiatus. I'm on a hiatus for a very, very long time. And I'm doing some videos here and there. So I did a little video today that I went out with my husband to wash the baby. And then I went grocery shopping and I did silly stuff around the house. I cleaned my house. And I painted my glasses. Do you remember these glasses? They were orangey, and they were like Mr. Magoo, something like. Remember the Mr. Magoo glasses? I painted them. Aren't they cool? Just for reading, okay? They're for reading, so I think these glasses are amazingly cool. So I have some little things to show you today that I want to show you. Because I haven't been filming for a while. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, we're going to try something. I want to really try this because this is what I've been using lately is the Mineral Powder by Maybelline and the CoverGirl. I'm using both. I'm using both of these babies. So, you see? And I found out that I can also put it on with this or with this brush. And let's do it now a little bit with this brush and let's see how it goes because I'm just enjoying my cool new glasses. So let's start with this one, the Maybelline one. And I found out that it is so amazing. You only use a little bit. You only need to use just a tiny, tiny, tiny little bit. So this was what we're gonna do. So we're heading into fall. Yeah, we're heading into fall. I've been doing so many stuff. There's a lot of stuff going on in my life right now. There's tons of stuff going on in my life right now. Some I cannot share. But I can show you this. I can share you and show this. So let's do it. This is what I'm going to do. So I got just a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I am going to pat it. Yeah, I'm gonna pat it exactly where I want it. So like this, we would do something like this, you know what I mean? And then just rub it in. But the trick is that underneath this mineral powder, you know what I did? I put my blush. I put my blush on. And it does make a huge, huge difference. It makes a huge difference. Honestly, it does. It does a huge difference. So it's just a little, you know, just to brighten up your makeup just a little bit. You know what I mean? Okay. So that's what I did. I used this, which is... This is the e.l.f. It goes on your lips as a lipstick, and I pat it on my cheeks. Then I pat it on my cheeks also, and then I applied the Maybelline powder foundation, and you just keep on swirling and swirling, and that's it. So it looks very natural. It looks like it's a clean, fresh makeup, and that's it. So this is all to wear with my brand new glasses. Yeah, they look cool, don't they? Yeah, I like it. I guess they're a little bit modern. I used black nail polish. Getting black nail polish, and I came with these new eyeglasses. Just love them. I think it's pretty cool. So today's video was just a hi, hello. I miss everybody, but I'm a little bit busy, and I might talk to you about it later. I can't do it right now anyways. So I applied first this lips, cheeks, creamy one, and it's very pretty. It's very pretty. Then you apply it here, and then you put it on your cheeks, and then with this brush and with the foundation, you have a 2-minute fresh makeup, and look pretty. And then that's it. And then you can go out and wash your baby too. So that's going to be it for today. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you have a wonderful week. And I'm going to check in with you later, maybe this week. But then we'll go from there on. Check in with you later.